This store has already made over 80,000 sales, and it's one of the smartest 3D printing businesses I've ever seen. They're making 26 sales every single day and sell close to 1,000 products per month. And what are they selling? Just cookie cutters of simple shapes and animals. But this is not even about the product. There's something completely different that makes this store so successful. And once you see it, you'll realize just how powerful this strategy is.
Her interview is a bit older, so she probably didn't use AI. She might have just grabbed PNG images from Google as references. But today, you can take this strategy even further, automating the entire process. Here's a workflow you can use today to create Etsy listings super fast, without making the product first. Use AI to generate a basic shape. Convert it into an SVG file. Turn that into a 3D model. Render high-quality product images. With this, you can test new products instantly, just like she did, without wasting time or material.
Here's another genius trick she uses. She only makes the actual product when there's an order. That's right, she creates just one size for product images, but offers multiple sizes in her store. She doesn't waste time making everything up front, only when it sells. This lets her list hundreds of variations without extra effort.
Cookie cutters seem like a low-profit item, right? But there's a hidden advantage. Customers always buy multiple. Think about it. If you're shopping for cookie cutters, you probably want different shapes. And since they're cheap, most buyers add several to their cart. That raises the order value from under $5 to $15 or more every single time. And she uses two clever tricks to encourage bigger orders. Charging for shipping. If a $5 product has a $3 to $4 shipping fee, people buy more items to make the shipping cost worth it. Automatic discounts. If you buy 3 or more, you save 15%, which makes people add extra to their cart. Both of these increase the average order size without any extra effort.
Another huge advantage of this strategy, she can rank for unlimited keywords. Because the designs are simple and easy to tweak, she can quickly create new versions for trending topics, seasonal holidays, or niche interests. That means her store gets constant fresh traffic without running ads. Here are some of her top performing cookie cutters.
If you want to copy this $500,000 business model, here's what to take away. Don't waste time overcomplicating products. Design it, upload it, and see if it sells before committing. Use 3D rendered images. This won't work for every product, but for simple designs, it's a massive time saver. Sell in bulk. Choose products that naturally encourage multiple purchases.
You don't have to sell cookie cutters. This strategy works in tons of niches. Find a simple, customizable 3D printed product that people buy in bulk, and you're set.
I hope you enjoyed. Which store should we analyze next? Comment it below.